Hello guys, I'm Sulov Katila and this is CS50 Web Project 1 Wiki. First and foremost, the entry page. So whenever a user visits /wiki followed by a title of a valid entry of a page, the project will render a page that displays the contents of that entry of that page, and just like this. And let's say the user inputs title of a page that does not exist. In that case, the project will render an error message just like this. It's an error page. And moving on to the index page, which is the home page. This is the index page. You can see there are links to all the entries. Clicking on any of these links will render the page that displays the contents of that entry for that page, just like this. And the search functionality, the user can search for any entry, and if it matches exactly with the entry of the if it exactly matches to the available entry, the project will render that page. And if it does not match the exact entry, this will just provide a list of all the entries that the original query could be a subset of. For example, CSS, and Python gives Python, and clicking on this link will render that particular page. And new page, the user can create their own new page by specifying the title and providing the markdown contents in the text area. Say hi, hello, submit it. Submitting the form will save the file. Here you can see hi, and let's say you try to create something that you try to create a page with the title that's already exists. Let's say we try to create hi again, and hi again. In that case, it will render an error message. And moving on to the edit functionality, let's go to home. Let's say this. Hello, we want to edit it, so we can just click this button and we will be prompted to edit. We will be able to edit this page. Let's say hello, I am taking CS50, and submit. Now this will update the page, and the random page will just render a random page just like this, and the markdown to HTML. So how it's able to create a new page through the markdown content is by using the Python Markdown 2 library. For example, what it does is it takes in the markdown contents and just converts it into HTML, which then gets rendered as a new page. Let's say C Python SQL, all these are languages. So you can see I'm only entering the markdown contents and not the HTML. And whenever I submit it, the language already exists. And let's say we try to give it a new name, languages 10. See, so putting in the markdown contents gave me a HTML content, and that was done by the Markdown 2 library. And that is it for the project. Thank you.